Usually it's not this tricky.
Can see your face.
And that was round 2. The price of having fun.
All right, let's go.
Freaking 8 degrees.
I know it's 8 degrees outside. Ah! Ooh.
This is pretty cool.
A little kitchen area. Let's go check out upstairs.
I'm down.
Cool. My phone kind of ran out of juice last night, so I didn't get to show you the rest of the house. There's really only one more bedroom, which I'll show you right now. So we took a drive up to Fairbanks. We're actually staying in North Pole, Alaska. Today we're going to be doing some super cool, fun stuff with the kids. We are taking them to the Santa Claus house. And maybe one other thing, we're going to kind of see how the day goes, but we are super excited. As adults, I'm super excited because obviously you always dream about going to Santa Claus's house, and it's right here in our backyard. So it's going to be super fun today. Here, let me show you the rest of the kids' room. All right, so just like the other bedroom, it's kind of just mirrored. This is where the kids slept. There's 2, I believe these are full beds in each bedroom, a little dresser, and then there's kind of like this little nook where you could hang clothes and extra blankets and things. It is very warm in here from what we're used to. It is -9 outside currently. And back at home, we are used to our house being around 60 degrees. And this house, it is, I believe it said 70 or 72. And upstairs, obviously heat rises, it's warmer. So I don't know why anybody would need extra blankets, but I guess if you're not used to living here, then it might feel a little bit colder to you. But last night I was dying. So I had to like rip all the sheets off. Oh gosh, everybody else seemed to sleep just fine. But yes, it is pretty warm in here from what I'm used to. So we're going to go get the kids ready and we're going to head out to this cool little breakfast spot. All right, so last night we decided we didn't want to eat in, but we called this Chinese restaurant that my husband heard from a bunch of coworkers, and then it just happened to be on the fridge when we got here. That's right down the way from us. It was literally 5 minutes away. But I guess this was featured on, what was it, the Food Network?
Yeah, dinner dives and
Oh,
whatever things.
yeah, dinner dives and whatever, or the Food Network. I forget which one. But this restaurant was featured on there, and it lived up to its expectations. It was bomb. We still have a ton of extra food in the fridge that we can eat for lunch or for dinner. But yeah, if you're ever up in North Pole or Fairbanks, go ahead and try this Asian cuisine restaurant. Super bomb. Off we go.
Up we go!
It is -9 degrees outside.
Head east, then make a U-turn.
I gotta wait for directions. It's -9 degrees outside, and the sun is barely coming up. What time is it?
Turn right onto Isleson Farm Road.
Almost 9 o'clock.
Continue on Isleson Farm Road for 3
Moose!
Where?
Oh, your window!
Oh, yep, there's a moose.
Where?
Right there. Look at it. There it is. It's hard to see. It's over there in the field.
Yeah, I can see it. I looked at my window.
Out my boogers. Our fucking boogers. Yeah, your boogers are frozen.
Yeah.
It's that cold. Just instantly. No moisture in your nose.
Thank you, Owen.
No moisture. Ice.
Yeah, it's a moose. So before it's all gone, we got corned beef hash, biscuits and gravy that Owen's enjoying, some cinnamon roll French toast, hot chocolate, French toast stack. What is that? Stuffed Nolan, and some country fried steak.
Prime rib edition.
Oh, prime rib. Wow. All right, are we ready for the Santa Claus house, Daddy?
No, I'm trying not to fall down.
Oh gosh,
It's still warm.
it's still warm in the truck.
It's not going to be when we come back out. Go, go, go. Don't leave the door. Go.
All right, inside.
We're gonna buy toys.
Oh, here. You know, we'll come back to this part. Let's walk this way. Come on. Yeah. Wow. Look how many These are cute.
Oh my gosh.
Those are so cute. This is the ornament store right here. Go. See, you want to say hi? You want to go get a picture? You say hi? You don't want to go say hi? No. No? You say hi from a distance? No? Very. Dragon. Here.
Okay.
Here. Say hi. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. What do you want for Christmas?
I don't know.
You can do that.
You don't know?
Take this one.
You don't know?
What do you like? You like trucks?
I like everything.
You like everything?
Yes, I like water too.
You do? Wow, that's pretty cool. I like your hat.
Thank you.
Naturally, I have to get a bell. So cool.
You have to get it.
Owen?
Look at Santa's old workshop. It's so cool. All right.
Oh, we just got demonetized.
All right, guys. What did you guys think of the Santa house? Parker.
It was cool.
Parker, I can't see your face.
Look, fool. Smile, you're on candid camera.
Did you like seeing Santa?
Yes.
Who knows what candid camera is?
I don't think they know a candid camera. They are way too young for that.
That was before AirBNB, huh?
And the new yo-yo.
Yeah.
And the ornaments.
So did you guys like seeing Santa?
Yes. Yes.
Say, Callum, you went and saw Santa. He's
still traumatized.
He's in shock. Love you. Did you go see Santa? Goobers. All right, let's go see some reindeer.
He wasn't going to, and I'm like, oh, he's got candy canes. And
I know.
Soon he was there.
Candy cane. All right, let's go see reindeer, and then I think we're gonna go back to our cabin for a little bit, and then go figure out. Do we want to do something else?
Yeah, nap.
Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, we had to come over here to see Santa's reindeer. But we want to stay in the warmth of the truck. Wow. Look at all Santa's reindeer. Yep, see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's number 8? Where is it? Is it hiding?
7.
Their antlers are shedding. And they are eating. I only see 7 right now. I don't see where number 8 is. I have to cut it first.
I did.
Oh, good. So we're gonna eat our truffles. And I think we're gonna go outside and play in the snow. Because it is absolutely beautiful outside. It's a bit cold though.
Here she is, Cinderella back to the ball. Grace, I'd like to meet Norm Spellman and Jake Sully.
Norm, I hear good things about you. How's your knock?
Alvin,
Too much fire.
You're on me.
Don't roll it up. You didn't roll to see how many times you did.
Somebody had too much fun today. It's kind of cool. Our unit came with a washer and dryer. Toilet. View out the toilet.
Well,
something happened. Take care of it. I'm too close to be stopped now. It's Drake's dog.
Well, kill him one.
Wonderful. A little
no, Lovey's green.
to be continued.
Isn't Lovey green?
All right, well, it's got missing pieces and a lot of these tiny, tiny little intricate pieces, and they are broken. So I guess that's as good as this puzzle is gonna get. I think the craziest puzzle I have ever done. And we have a mystery piece. It doesn't go to this. I don't know where that goes. But came out cool. It took us like 2 hours. It's kind of crazy. Tanks. See the tank? Yep, that's the army base. So cool. That's so cool. Well, there is the Matanuska Glacier, which is not far from our home. It's awesome. We haven't seen it since we moved here a year ago. All right, guys, well, this is where we're gonna end our video. If you are interested in the cabin we stayed in, I will leave all the information down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below, and we will see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay sane, get out there and make your own footprints. Bye.